Patayin yung ego mo, panalo lagi yung babae.
Tama, ganun.
Talaga.
You said yes to me back in 2021 by the sea at Dasol, Pangasinan. Said yes to me again when I proposed last year by the sea at Pattaya, Thailand. Now we're here with the presence of God and the people dear to us, still by the sea to exchange vows and IDs. No matter how deep life takes us, I vow to always resurface with you, to choose you, to breathe with you, and to keep finding new depths of love that even the ocean can measure. Nagkakilala po kami ni Zyrene sa Midway Colleges po. She was an English teacher and I am a newly hired marine instructor. Our first conversation was a correction about my work, but I was able to depend it in English. At doon siya na-in-love sa akin kasi hindi daw po lahat ng seaman can speak or properly express themselves in English. Her words, not mine.
Tanaw ko ang
Meron pa.
mga sugat.
What's this? Wow! Thank you, thank you. Sakto, nabasag yung salamin ko kaya hindi ako makapag-sheets. Alam na alam yung mga kailangan ko talaga.
Saning sinasarili.
Love you!
Di lahat
Babe, happy anniversary.
ay dapat
5 years na tayo. But those 5 years felt like half of my life. Kasi every time I look back on the best and happiest moments of my life, most of them were with you.
You. See you later. I love you.
bulong mulang lahat sa akin. Wag nang magdalaw ang isip ng abang lang naman. Sa bawat tiyak, tahanay tiyak, sa dating tagpuan o hirap, nananabik sa iyong pag-ubig, papawain ng luhat kay hanggang. Kailan pa pag-ibig di mamamaliw.
They say the greatest catch in life is finding the right person to hold on to forever. Today, I marry mine.
Tingin sa bawat lambing na
So now that we're here in our favorite place, with our favorite view, in front of our favorite people, I am promising to spend the rest of my life with you.
at mamahalin kita.
You loved me on my best days, and loved me even more in my worst. You've shown me how to treat a woman right. Kaya nga yata all of my friends and family botong-boto sa'yo. Because they've seen kung paano mo ko alagaan. Kung paano babalatan mo muna yung hipo na kakainin ko bago ka kumain, or kahit pagod ka na sa trabaho, uuwi ka pa rin sa akin.
Mga oras ng sarili ay
Thank you for keeping up with me, for loving me even when I myself find it hard to love me. Thank you for keeping me afloat all throughout, with love in my heart to my last breath. I love you more than you will ever
sa
know.
paglubog ng araw at ilaw ng buwan, maubos man ang kandila, di magbabago para
I look
lamang
forward to spending every sunrise and sunset with you. Of course, guided by God. I look forward to being your wife and the mother of your children. And I also look forward to all our happy times, celebrations, and I even look forward to the challenges that we will face because I know I'll be facing them with you. I love you, Babin, always.
at tatanggapin kita kahit ano pang sabihin nila, hindi ka mag-iisa. Nandito lang ako palagi, gagabay sa'yo at mamahalin kita. Ano man ang mangyari sa ating dalawa, ika'y hindi na mag-iisa.